Good day. Today you are all together with the Technorat Master YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to GPT. GPT is an artificial intelligence, AI-based conversational chatbot created by OpenAI. It is based on a language model called Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT. GPT is a combination of the words chat, conversation, and GPT, language model. It is considered an AI model that has the ability to speak natural language to humans in a simple, engaging way. ChatGPT was first released to the public in 2022. It used the GPT 3.5 model and was later improved with the GPT-4 and GPT-4.0 models. ChatGPT was trained on millions of different words taken from the internet. It can be used for various tasks such as chat, articles, poetry, code, translation, mathematical calculations, suggestions, research, and advice. GPT is a name that stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative means generating new text, pre-trained means pre-trained, and transformer is a special machine learning model introduced by Google. ChatGPT uses this transformer method to understand the relationships between words and respond like human language. May 29th, 8:12 p.m. ChatGPT is used in various fields such as education, business, industry, documentation, programming, research, and life advice. Teachers, students, writers, coding staff, and business people simplify their work using ChatGPT. The specialty of this AI model is that it understands the user's questions, responds politely, and organizes multi-word information into simple words that can be understood. ChatGPT also has modern features such as voice, image, web access, code writing, and plugins. ChatGPT can be considered a great artificial intelligence tool to accelerate the tasks of